Okay, imagine this. Every recess, hundreds of students come to the canteen to eat. After recess ends, look at the amount of food left behind. Rice, fruit peels, vegetables. Most of it goes straight into the trash can. But have anyone thought about what happens to them after that?
Honestly, most people don't. Once it enters the bin, we think the problem is gone. But actually, the waste still exists. A lot of it ends up in landfills and contributes to environmental problems.
Exactly. And when food waste builds up, it can create unpleasant smells, produce methane gas, and waste resources that could still be useful. That's when our group started asking, could food waste become something valuable instead?
And that's where our idea came from, introducing Compost IQ, a smart canteen waste to compost system. So, what exactly is Compost IQ? Compost IQ is a system that transforms canteen food waste into useful compost using sensors and digital technology. So, what do? We collect the food waste and put them into the composting system. And unlike other composting systems, our system constantly monitors the condition of the compost. This means lesser manual work and better efficiency. Our main objectives are simple: to reduce food waste, create cleaner surroundings, and encourage sustainability in schools.
Now, let's talk about how the system works. First, organic waste is placed into the compost container. Inside the system, moisture and temperature sensors monitor the conditions of the compost continuously. Why? Because compost needs suitable conditions to decompose effectively. If it becomes too dry, decomposition slows down and the water pump is activated. If the moisture becomes too high, the compost quality decreases. That is why our sensors collect data continuously. The data is then sent to the microcontroller of our project, which is the Arduino. The Arduino processes this information and controls the system. We've also included a motorized mixer mechanism. The mixer improves airflow, which helps microorganisms break down waste more effectively.
Our project isn't only about reducing waste, but it also supports cleaner and healthier environment. Most people think composting is old-fashioned, but our project turns composting into a monitored and measurable process. But collecting data alone isn't enough, we also analyze it. Temperature and moisture readings are observed over time. For example, when the moisture levels become too low, the system detects that the compost conditions need improvement. Table readings indicate healthy decomposition, and over time, we can determine when the compost is ready. So instead of guessing, we use actual data.
One thing that makes Compost IQ unique is that we combine environmental science with smart technology.
In the future, this system could also include a mobile monitoring system and notification features. This makes the compost management more smarter and easier. Compost IQ also supports sustainable development goals. SDG 12, responsible consumption and production. SDG 13, climate action.
SDG 3, good health and well-being.
SDG 11, sustainable cities and communities. Food waste may seem small.
But smaller problems create bigger impact.
With STEM, we can improve sustainability. With innovations, we can create solutions.
And with Compost IQ, we turn waste into opportunity.
Smart waste, greener schools.